How to fix Instagram post unavailable problem. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. So let's say you have added the audio or the music to this post and now it's currently unavailable. Now in order to fix this issue, what you want to do is first of all take the screenshot of this interface and then go back and tap on this 3 horizontal line at the top right corner. Head over to settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and move into help. Tap on report a problem. And then click on report problem without seeking. Tap on include and continue. So over here what you want to do is first of all delete this picture and then tap on upload. Select the screenshot that you have just taken before. Once the screenshot has been added, now what you want to do is go back and head over to your application Telegram. If you don't have it, you need to create one. Tap on the search bar and search for technique called Sora. You need to tap on this group. If you haven't joined this group, you need to join this group first. And then tap on this 3 dot at the top right corner. Tap on search. In the search bar, you need to search for Instagram team. Now slide little bit up and you'll find this paragraph. All you want to do is tap and hold this text and copy this paragraph. Once it has been copied, go back and head over to your previous page. Paste the text that you have just copied before. Once you are done, simply tap on send at the top right corner. The report will be successfully sent to the Instagram support team. And within 24 hours, the Instagram team will definitely come up with some solution for you. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is how you can fix the Instagram post audio unavailable problem. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.